Welcome to this introductory video about Transportation Demand Management, TDM, at CDOT. Stay tuned for more videos following this one that will explain TDM in more detail, such as funding TDM and creating a TDM plan. For a list of CDOT acronyms, please refer to the CDOT Acronyms and Terminology Guide. This series is brought to you by the Office of Innovative Mobility, OIM, and I, Thomas Joyce, will give you an overview of TDM at CDOT. For more information about TDM, please email dot.innovativemobility@state.co.us. Topics in this video will cover what is TDM, why is TDM important, the current state of TDM in Colorado, what does this mean for you at CDOT, TDM context considerations, and finally, resources and who to contact. What is TDM? Transportation Demand Management, or TDM, is the discipline of encouraging and facilitating traveler behavior that makes more efficient use of the transportation network. Ultimately, this means providing people with more choice about how, where, when, and if they travel. For example, giving people more freedom and flexibility in their work hours and location, making it more convenient, feasible, and attractive to take transit, ride a bike, or share their trips with other travelers are all examples of TDM strategies. Other strategies include building transit-oriented communities, transit, microtransit, bike and pedestrian facilities, employer programs, van pooling, carpooling, just to name a few. There are 5 key reasons why TDM is important. First, Colorado's population is projected to increase by over 600,000 residents by 2030. Facilitating more efficient travel choices will be an essential component of this strategy to maintain the reliability of the travel network as it accommodates more travelers. Second, Colorado cannot afford to build our way out of congestion because road expansion, in the long run, increases the amount of traffic. This is also called induced demand. By making the most of our existing network, we can maximize the impact of tax dollars and reduce future maintenance bills. Third, climate change. While the state has made good progress towards our 2030 greenhouse gas targets, additional transportation strategies are needed to close the remaining gap. Emissions-reducing TDM strategies will be needed in addition to zero-emission vehicle transitions. Fourth, air quality. The negative health impacts of vehicle emissions are well documented. TDM can be critical in reducing ozone and criteria pollutants from transportation. Fifth, equity. TDM strategies can improve travel affordability, safety, accessibility, and provide new travel options. In this way, TDM can enable people to move and access all parts of the community, including essential services regardless of their age, income, disability, and other factors that impact travel behavior. Now let's explore the current state of TDM in Colorado. TDM requires innovative and non-traditional approaches to reducing congestion. Colorado has a strong tradition of commuter-focused TDM programming supported by a mixture of regional and state initiatives and other programs championed by local governments, transit agencies, and other community organizations. Many audiences across the state have historically not been part of the conversation, causing the range of TDM strategies to be constrained by actors at the table. TDM initiatives need to be designed to provide solutions for all audiences, including disproportionately impacted communities, rural residents, shift workers, caregivers, recreational travelers, and those left out by traditional transportation planning. Additionally, the emergence of new technologies, including shared micromobility, electronic bikes, and advancements in data analytics, present invaluable new opportunities for tackling varied and growing congestion and mobility issues through context-appropriate tools and approaches. What does TDM mean for you at CDOT? Let's hear from a CDOT subject matter expert. Our subject matter expert for this video is Lizarraga, the Assistant Director of Mobility Services from the Office of Innovative Mobility.
Transportation Demand Management, also known as TDM, is an essential part of supporting Colorado's transportation system. As transportation professionals, we play a critical role in shaping Colorado's transportation landscape. To ensure a sustainable, efficient, and equitable system, it's essential to prioritize TDM during all phases of a project, from scoping to delivery. TDM focuses on providing a multimodal built environment that offers a variety of transportation options, reducing reliance on single occupancy vehicles and improving mobility for Colorado's traveling public. By promoting mode choice, we can improve accessibility, ensuring all Coloradans have access to essential services regardless of their transportation options, reduce congestion by alleviating traffic congestion and improving travel times, enhance air quality by decreasing emissions and improving overall public health, promote safety by creating safer streets for all users, specifically vulnerable road users. To achieve these goals, we must incorporate TDM principles into our planning, design, and implementation of transportation projects. This includes investing in infrastructure, building protected bike plus lanes, multimodal paths, and other infrastructure that supports vulnerable road users and creates connections. Supporting first last mile by promoting micromobility, i.e. e-bikes or scooters, private and shared, microtransit, and other services that ensure the traveling public can reliably move without a personal vehicle. And by offering TDM services through providing resources, training, and funding to support TDM initiatives. By working together, we can create a transportation system that benefits all Coloradoans and ensures a sustainable future for all. The Office of Innovative Mobility at CDOT is here to support your TDM efforts. We offer grant funding, including financial assistance for innovative TDM projects and for our transportation management organizations, including the development of TMOs, training, whether in-person or virtual trainings on various TDM topics, and resources, including information and support to help you implement TDM strategies. We encourage you to explore the video series on TDM and reach out to us with any questions or to discuss how we can collaborate on creating a more sustainable and equitable transportation system for Colorado.
What does this mean for you at CDOT? You will engage with TDM in a variety of ways, including being a resource for local agencies or in your own work, such as working on a PD 1601 interchange. You may be a resource for questions related to TDM. TDM also ties to Colorado's goal of being net zero by 2050. TDM strategies support CDOT's wildly important goals, particularly goal number 3, clean transportation. These goals include reducing the amount of greenhouse gas and other pollutants emitted by the transportation sector by June 30th, 2026. Colorado Department of Transportation is a multimodal transportation agency which supports a wide variety of alternatives to single occupancy vehicle use. The Office of Innovative Mobility can help with all of your TDM questions, provide solutions that fit your setting and budget, and provide training on TDM in person or virtually. Email for any TDM questions DOT_innovativemobility@state.co.us